Hi students, I am your chemistry miss. Today we are going to see the second lesson, continuation for your second lesson. The topic is quantum numbers. Before going to that, previous video we studied the Schrodinger wave equation. What are the salient features of this quantum mechanical model? How it can be explained. So the Schrodinger wave equation, previous day we studied the Schrodinger wave equation. Today we are going to see what are the main features of this Schrodinger wave equation. So this is the first one. What is the first one? Is the energy of the electron is atom is quantized. That is already postulates a Bohr atom model. Second one, that is the result is a what is mean by orbital, that is quantized electron energy level, direct result of this wave like the properties of this electron. So that is Schrodinger wave equation gives the allowed energy level. So that is called as orbital. So next one is according to the uncertainty principle. What is uncertainty principle? It is impossible to measure both the position and the momentum of the electron. It is that is absolute or accuracy. It is impossible to measure the position and the velocity of this microscopic particle. But here that is what is mean by orbital. This is important one 2-mark question. What is mean by orbital? Orbital is a 3-dimensional space which is probability of finding the electron is maximum. So what is define orbital? Orbital is a 3-dimensional space, probability of finding. See, in this orbital the electron density will be maximum in this orbital. So again next one. So next one is the Schrodinger wave equation that allows the wave function, that is the psi. What is mean by psi? Psi is the wave function. It is represents the atomic model. Another one is the psi is not a, that is the psi itself no physical meaning. So what is the meaning of the psi? It is no physical meaning, but it can be around the point x, y, z. It is proportional to the modulator, that is psi of xy to the square. Dx is known as probability density is always positive. So the value, because the suppose minus value in this value mean the minus square mean that is plus. So that is this probability, the density of the electron is always positive value. So this is the another one. This is sometimes they are asking for the 5-mark. Previous last year this question is asking for half-yearly, is a 5-mark question. What is the main features of this quantum mechanical model? Okay, so this is the another one. Next we are going to see the quantum numbers. What is mean by quantum numbers? So what is quantum numbers? Yesterday I told what is quantum number? It is address of this electron. So what is mean by address of this electron? So what is mean by address of this electron? Which orbital, which energy level it can be rotated. So that is called as quantum numbers. The quantum numbers classified 4 types: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number and the spin quantum number. First we are going to see the what is mean by principal quantum number. Principal quantum number is explained. First one is principal quantum number. Principal quantum number. So what is mean by principal quantum number? Principal quantum number is explained the main energy level. So principal quantum number is represent small n. So main energy level. What are the energy level present in the electrons? So in the atom, main energy level. Okay, main energy level. What are the main shell? So that is the main electron around the nucleus denoted by the simple n. So what are the shell present? K, L, M, N. So and then finally O. Okay, so here that is you are going to learn that is K, L, M, N and O. That is the capital. What is K shell? Suppose the N value is equal to 1 mean that is K shell. So 2 mean that is L shell. 3 mean that is M shell. 4 means N shell. That is 5 mean that is the N is equal to 1 means K shell. 2 means L shell. 3 means M shell. 4 means N shell and 5 means O shell. So the maximum number of electron. What is the formula of the maximum number of electron? Maximum number of electron in the orbital. How to calculate the maximum number of electrons? So that is the formula is n square. Suppose n is equal to 2, maximum number of electron 1 square. Suppose now n is equal to 2 means maximum number of electron that is 2n square. Sorry, that is 2n square. 2n square, 2 into 1, so that is 2 number of electrons present in the K shell. So how many electrons present in the K shell? That is 2 electron. Okay, so how to calculate? So n is equal to 1. So how many electron in the K shell? K shell means, so that is n is equal to 1, 2n square, so that is 2 into 1, that is 2. So K shell, number of electron present in the K shell, 2. So then n is equal to 2, L shell, that is 2n square, that is 2 into 2 square, so that is 8. So n is equal to 3 L m shell, okay, that is 2n square formula, that is 3 square means 9, 2 9s are 18. Then n is equal to 4 n shell equal to 2n square equal to 2n square means what is that value, that is 1632. Okay, then n is equal to 5 n O shell 2n square equal to 2550. So these are all the electron present in the K shell. Number of electron present in the K shell, 2 electron, L shell 8 electron, 3 m is equal to 18, n is equal to 32. O shell, that is contain 50 electron, that is the number of electron accommodated in that orbital. So that is in the shell. So another one is what is n gives the energy. So that is the energy of the electron, that is En. So what is En, energy of the electron? Previous class, that is minus 1312.8 and this Z square, that is atomic number square divided by n square, that is Z square, kilojoule mole minus 1. Okay, so this is the another one. So again another one is what is the distance of the electron from the nucleus, that is again another one is the radius of this electron, again it can be calculated 0.529 the n square, this is another formula by atomic number, that is H, that is into that is Armstrong. Okay, so this is the another one. So this is the principal quantum number. What is principal quantum number? It is represent is the main energy level K, L, M, N shell and O shell. That is n is equal to 1 means that is K shell, 2 means L, 3 means M, 4 means that is the maximum number of electron accommodated in the principal quantum number. The formula is 2n square. How to calculate? This is the calculation. So number of electrons is accommodated in the K shell, L shell, M shell. So that is the number of electron. So again finally the energy of this electron can be calculated. This is the another one. This is the radius of this electron can be calculated. This is the one. Okay, so next we are going to see the azimuthal quantum number. Okay, so next one, azimuthal quantum number or subsidiary quantum number. What is azimuthal quantum number? It is represent, what is that number, how it will represent, that is small l. Okay, so how to azimuthal quantum, what is azimuthal quantum number? It is represented by the letter L. What is that value? So what is the L value? Is the integral values of integral values from 0 to n minus 1. So the value, what is the value present in the azimuthal quantum number is the integral values is the 0 to n minus 1. So that is 0 to n minus 1 values. Each value represents the subshell. So that is, so azimuthal quantum number mainly subshell of this energy level. So that is K, L, M, N shell. This is the subshell of this energy level. So the L value, that is, it is represent subshells, that is orbital. So what are the orbitals present here? That is L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 because the values exist from the 0 to n minus 1. The maximum number of electron, how to calculate? That is how to calculate. So L is equal to, so n is equal to 1, L is equal to, how to calculate? N minus 1. N value is 1. 1 minus 1, the L value is equal to 0. That is, what is the meaning for L is equal to 0? There is only one, because 1 is also assumed one number. So that is the value, so starting from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, so 0 is also, that is only one orientation. So that is the only one subshell, that is S orbital. S orbital, that is only one boxes. Okay, just you, this is called as orbital. S orbital. What is the orbital is present here? That is only one orbital is present here. So that is one S orbital, only one box. So because that is only one value. This is considered as a value, that is integral values from 0 to n minus 1. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So n is equal to 1 means L is equal to, so again next one is n is equal to 2. L is equal to n minus 1. So what is that value? L is equal to 0, 1. So that is orbital, s orbital and the p orbital. Okay, s orbital and the p orbital. So the values is exist from the 0, 1. So the value 0 and 1. So that is s orbital and the p orbital is present in the n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 1 means that is the k shell. So in the n is equal to 2 means that is L shell. So L shell containing s orbital and the p orbital. Okay, so then n is equal to 3. L is equal to n minus 1. What is the value? 3 minus 1. What is that answer? 3 minus 1 means 2. So that is 0, 1 and the 2. So L is equal to 2, s orbital, p orbital and the d orbital. That is the 3 values are here. That is n is equal to, this is the k shell, L shell and the m shell. Okay, that is k shell, L shell, m shell. The m shell containing s orbital, p orbital and the d orbital. Then n shell, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 4 minus 1, L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So that is s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and the f orbital. So that is this azimuthal quantum number represent the orbital. So that is orbital of the suborbitals of this main energy level. First இருக்கிறது என்னது main energy level k l m n shell. அதுக்கு கீழ இருக்கிறது என்னது orbital, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. Okay, this is everyone is a continuous connected one. So next one is azimuthal quantum number. Next one is magnetic quantum number. What is magnetic quantum number? Magnetic quantum number, that is the orientation of this orbital. So this is the orbital, suborbital. What are the orbitals present here? S orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. Next we are going to see the suborbital. So this s orbital containing how many orientation? It is denoted by the letter magnetic orientation ml. So what is it take integral value ranging from, so the integral value, what is that value? It exists the values, integral values from minus L to plus L. Okay, that is the 0 values also. That is minus L is starting from minus L. So that is suppose the axis value is there here minus L. So then here 0, then L. Okay, so that is minus is also there, plus value. That is the integral values. It is exist from the minus L to plus L through O, through 0. Okay, through 0. Okay, this is the another one. So next one is how which value they given. So that is L is equal to 0. So that is s orbital. L is equal to 0. What is that formula? M is equal to 2L plus 1. Okay, just you remember that. What is that formula? Magnetic orientation, magnetic quantum number. L is equal to 0, 2L plus 1. How to calculate? That is 0. So that is only one orientation. So M is equal to 1. That is one meaning that is only one orientation. That is only one rotation. So orientation, magnetic quantum number represents the orientation of this orbital. Orientation of orbital. Orientation of this orbital. So azimuthal quantum number one, this suborbital. So principal quantum number, main energy level. So main shell, this is suborbital. This is the orientation of this orbital. So orientation, how to calculate the orientation? That is L is equal to 0, M is equal to 2L plus 1. So that is the only one orientation. That is only one value. That is only one orientation. So next one is L is equal to 1. So M is equal to what is that value? 2L plus 1. How it will calculate it? 2 plus 1, that is 3. M is equal to 3 value. How it will can be 3 values mean that is 3 orientation. 3 orientation. What is that value? So 3 values எப்படி இருக்கலாம்? minus 1 இருக்கலாம், 0 இருக்கலாம், plus 1 இருக்கலாம். So that is the 3 values. That is the 3 orientation. So that is, this is called as s orbital. This is s orbital. So what is this one? This is called as p orbital. So p orbital containing 3 orientation. So that is 3 boxes. Okay, that is the 3 orientation. So what are the suborbitals? So this is the 3 orientation, 3 boxes. Just you remember that it is the 3 boxes. Okay. So next one. L is equal to 3. Okay. So next one, L is equal to 2. First one is L is equal to 2. M is equal to what is that value? 2L plus 1. 2, 4 plus 1, that is the 2L plus 1, that is equal to 5. How 5 means that is the 5 orientation. 5 orientation. What are the 5 orientations? So that is how it will, that is what are the values exist? -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. So you counted that it is the possible for the 5 orientation. So what are the 5 orientation? It is represented as the d orbital. So d orbital, you assume that it is the 5 boxes. That is 5 orientation. So the naming itself you can, and for your structure of this orbital again you can learn. This is the L is equal to 2, that is 5 orbital. So another one, L is equal to 3. What is that value? L is equal to 3. What is L is equal to 3? M is equal to 2L plus 1. So what is that answer? Equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7. The orientation is 7 orientation. That is F orbital. L is equal to 3 means F orbital. It contains 7 boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 boxes. Okay. So that is 7 orientation. So that is 7 orientation. That is 7 rotation. 7 rotation means plus avum irukkalam, minus avum irukkalam. So this is the orientation. So 7 values mean how to write the 7 values? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that is the 7 value. You can write like this. Plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 2, plus or minus 1, then 0. Okay, so this is the, mainly it will give the orientation of this orbital. Okay, so this is the another one. This is magnetic quantum number. Next one is spin quantum number. Spin quantum number, it will refer the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Whether it is rotation in the clockwise and the anti-clockwise, that is spin rotation, magnetic spin rotation. Yeah, yes, spin rotation. It is the electron. It is the spin of the electron and it is donated by the letter M. So that is the electron வந்து positive clockwise la irukudha, anti-clockwise la irukudha. So that is the direction. Direction, clockwise direction and the anti-clockwise direction. The spinning of the electron, maximum 2 values are possible in the quantum number. So the value is plus half and minus half. The ms value is exit is the plus of and the minus of. What is the meaning for that? In one box is containing 2 electron, that is one is off, another is off. That is the spin quantum number. This is the representation. So just one is the spin quantum number, the magnetic spin. This is one orbital. This is 3 orbital, suborbital is there. Here 5 orbital. Here each orbital containing maximum 2 electron. So it is possible one is positive and another one is negative. This is called as spin quantum number. Okay, so this is the quantum numbers. How to calculate this quantum numbers? So what are the, suppose you know one value n is equal to 1 mean how to write the 4 possible quantum numbers. This is the another one. How to write the 4 quantum number using this value. So n value, how to write the 4 quantum numbers. This is the next one. Okay. Okay, so next we are going to see the what are the designation of this orbital. So what is s orbital? S orbital containing only one orientation, that is already I told. So one orientation, maximum accommodated this electron is only the 2 electron, maximum accommodated only s orbital. Just you mind it, that is 2 electrons. Okay, maximum 2 electron, only one is plus of and the minus of, that is 2 electrons. So p orbital, that is called as 3 orientation. What is the name of this orientation? Is px, py and the pz. Okay, so you just remember that what are the 3 orientation of this p orbital? Px, py and the pz. How to filling that electron? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so that is the 6 electron, maximum accommodated. How many electron? 6 electron. So this is the important one. P orbital, maximum accommodated only the 6 electron. Okay, this is the suborbital, px, py and the pz. S orbital containing only one orientation, that is no name for that, that is only s orbital. P orbital containing px, py and the pz. So what is the name of this d orbital? So that again dxy, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and the d z square. Okay, so this is the another one. So again you can fill that electron. How to fill the electron? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 electron. Okay, so the maximum number of electron in the d orbital. This is the name of this suborbital. D orbital udaya suborbital name. So dxy. Just you reminder that px, py, pz for p orbital, dxy, dyz, dzx, x square minus y square, and the f orbital. So again f orbital. What is the f orbital? What is the 7f orbital? That is f z3, then again f x z square, then f y z square, then f x y z, then f of z x square minus y square, then f of x into x square minus 3y square, then f of y into 3x square minus y square. So maximum number of electron again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So total number of electron 14 electrons. Okay. So s orbital mean maximum number of 2 electron, p orbital mean maximum number of electron 6 electron, d orbital mean maximum number of 10 electron is maximum. So f orbital 12, 14 electron. Okay, so this is the one. So next one is using that one, you can draw the shape of this orbital. So what are the shape of this s orbital? So what is the shape of this s orbital? S orbital can only the spherical in shape. So what is the shape of this orbital? Is the s orbital, that is spherical in shape. Shape of orbital. Shape of orbital. S orbital is a spherical in shape. Spherical in shape. So because I already told it is the only one orientation, right? That is only one box is there. So how the orientation? So that is the all sides are equal. So that is x, y, z, and the all sides are equal. So this is the x axis, y axis, and the z axis. Okay, so all the sides are equal. That is spherical node. So that is the another one is spherical in shape. Another one is the same orbital containing. This is 1s orbital and the 2s orbital. Before going to that, so how to here what are the orbital is there? 1s orbital, 2s orbital, orbital s orbital. So only k shell containing only 2 electrons. So s electron, s orbital containing maximum 2 electrons. So this is the 1s orbital. This is 2s orbital. There is some space available between the 1s orbital and the 2s orbital. This space is called as spherical node. Spherical node. What is mean by node? So we already know that in plant node, what is node? There is the some space available between the branches. So here that is the plant is there, means that is called as node, right? This is the one plant means the branches, the in between that space is called as node. Here also there is some space available between the 1s orbital and the 2s orbital. So that the space is called as node. So in this node, the electron density will be 0. I already told in this orbital electron density will be maximum, but in the node the electron density will be 0. In node electron density will be 0. Density 0, but in the orbital the electron density will be maximum. Okay, so this is the spherical in shape. This is s orbital. Next one is what are the shape of the p orbital. What is mean by p orbital? Shape of p orbital. So what is p orbital? What is the shape of this p orbital? That is px, py, pz. That is the 3 suborbital. How to write the px, py, pz? So that is, it is a this is the x axis means px. Okay, so x axis, y axis, This is the z axis. Okay, x, y, z. So here this is x axis. So next one is y axis. X, y and the z. Okay, that is px I am writing here. Then py. So how to write py? This is the py. This is the structure of shape of p orbital. So in your book that is the three-dimensional view only they are given. But here that is you can easily understand that is py. Then what is meant by pz? Pz is this orientation. That is x, y and the z. So what is pz? This is this orientation, that is pz. Okay, this is the px and the py and the pz. That is the shape of the p orbital. Only k shell containing does not contain. Sometimes they are asking one question: which shell containing p orbital? That is s shell k shell containing p orbital does not contain any p orbital, because k shell containing only 2 electrons, right? So the 2 electron mean only s orbital occupied only the 2 electron. So the p orbital which is started from the L shell onwards. K shell containing no p orbital, only s orbital, only k shell containing. This is the shape of the p orbital. Next one is, what are the shape of the d orbital? What are the shape of the d orbital? What are the shape of d orbital? First one is, again already know that, so dxy. Okay, how to draw the structure? dxy. Okay, this is the x axis and the y axis. So what is this shape of this orbital is? That is the dumbbell shape. Okay, how to write this? This is the shape of this orbital is the dumbbell shape. Okay. Okay, the shape of this p orbital is dumbbell shape. Okay, dumbbell. What is meaning for dumbbell? The exercise பண்ணும்போது அப்படி எடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா? So the dumbbell மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுனால it is called as dumbbell shape. Okay, so it is called as clover leaf shape. Clover leaf shape. Okay, this is clover leaf shape. This is dxy and then dyz. This is y axis. This is z axis. Okay, dyz, then again dzx, dzx, this is z axis, this is x axis, dzx. Okay, so this is 3 are clover leaf shape. Next one is dx square minus y square. It is the double dumbbell shape. Okay, this is the double dumbbell shape, x and the y axis. The structure is called as double dumbbell. Double dumbbell. Double dumbbell. Okay, so this is dx square minus y square. So then next one is dz square. Okay, what is the dz square? Is the donut shape. What is the shape of this orbital? Is the donut shape. This is dz square. This is the z axis. So it is called as dz square, donut shape. Donut shape. It is look like a donut shape, so that is donut. Is a one sweet, no, the name is called as donuts. It look like a donut, so it is called as donut shape. This is the shape of this d orbital. The shape of this d orbital, dxy, dyz and dzx. So just you reminded that at least you draw this diagram in your classwork, because in your textbook only the 3-dimensional diagram only available. This is the solid diagram, so this is only solid line diagram. This only you can easily draw this diagram, you can easily understand that one. So okay, so this is the another one. This is the shape of this orbital. Then f orbital, no need to draw this one. So that is again is the shape of this s orbital. This is the orbital. So remaining 3 orbital is very important. You have said 3. This is the 7 orientation of this f orbital. Okay, so how to write the filling of this electron in the orbital, we can see the next video. Okay, thank you children.